Why?
Fuwa blessed by the sneeze. No, it almost went in my eye. I felt it hit me in the cheek.
I don't know how it got so far.
I don't know, Moko-chan. You need to stop doing that, okay?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Hit me in the face.
I wish.
Sneeze away. Wait, something would just,
This is like...
Yeah, right in my direction.
maybe for a bit.
Yeah.
Like that.
Ruffian is no fun.
Huh?
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
You wouldn't want to be sneezing in the eye, right?
No, it's not very hygienic. Kind of dangerous.
I'm
And
not
then-
sick.
And then I'll only be able to backseat like this, you know?
Oh,
Moko-chan, go to that door! Moko-chan, watch over the enemy! Right?
one-eyed.
One eye. You know, it's not good. I need to be able to help out more than that, you know?
Maybe it'd be better like that.
No.
Maybe I should sneeze in your eye and take it up for good.
Please do not do that,
I think that could be a good idea. Ruffian!
No!
Rare fool or what? Can you do it again?
What?
One eye.
Well, actually, I'll share something with the ruffians. I've been practicing a little bit, so I think recently I got a little bit better. See? 𝗕𝗿𝘄𝘄𝘄! Nande? Why? I was showing Moko-chan all my practice and my efforts before. Maybe I still have some practicing to do, Moko-chan.